I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Ghanasidas University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing the various issues, things related to the entrepreneurship development. And in terms of that, today we are discussing about the financial management issues while starting of any business story. But going towards the side of the financial issues, I will just go through that certain things why it is to be needed in the terms of financial management issues dealing in the entrepreneurship development. Because we have listened the word of monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring and evaluation. Whatever. If you are a student, or although you are the students to be there, you know that we are conducting, and the college is to be conducting, university is to be conducting regular test or examination. Here we have just checked down whether I just monitor whether you are giving the attention towards the side of studies or not, and then evaluation give that type of credit on what percentage you are involved in your practical things. So in these financial issues, in the financial management, we have to identify, we have just checked out, because regular look aftering the financial management concept, we can help and identify their causes related to the finance. Then we suggest the possible solution of the problem if you have to manage of the financial things. Then different things can be carried out. So whatever the financial management, whatever the financial things can be carried out, and in the small scale business management, because the small scale is a very thing. So we have to just discuss one by one what are the various issues arising while starting of any business to be there. So first we have to securing initial funding. Securing initial funding. Whatever. Generally this is the seed money. कहते हैं कोई पेड़ लगाते हैं तो उसमें जो सीड होता है उसकी बहुत रक्षा करनी पड़ती है समय के साथ, और जब वो पेड़ से धीमे से निकल आता है उस सीड से फिर शायद उतनी जरूरत हमको नहीं पड़ती है. सेम थिंग. So securing the initial funding, we have to look after the failure of many new businesses starting this type of things. So what they have to do, they are using this seed money for their own expenditure also. So this thing should not be happened. Your expenses, daily expenses amount should be different, and this is totally for the business which you have to invest in that. If you are using this business, then you cannot be survived. कोई अंडे वाला है, अगर उसने पैसा लगाया और अंडे खरीद के लाया, इसलिए एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ छोटे छोटे से, और उसने क्या किया कि डेली उस अंडों में से जितना उसको खाना था वो भी खा लेता था, और बिजनेस जो था डे बाय डे भूख तो है इंसान की है, अंडे खाना, बिजनेस नहीं हुआ, पता लगा उसने उसको खा लिया, अंत में कुछ भी उसके पास नहीं बचा. सो वी हैव टू इनिशियली सिक्योर अवर फंडिंग इज टू बी देयर, एंड बिकॉज देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स, certain issues is to be carried out if we are not securing our initial funding. Poor planning. मेरे पापा पैसा दे देंगे, मेरे बाबा पैसा दे देंगे, this type of things, or things cannot be carried out. Certain times a lot of things you have to see, a lot of movies is to be there, a lot of serial was there, a lot of time you have to see, the TV is to be there, कि आज मार्केट में इतना पैसा फंसा हुआ था लोगों का, अंत में किसी ने सुसाइड कर लिया, किसी ने कुछ और एक्शंस ले लिए, this type. So poor planning. So while there is this type of activities to take care, you just be look after in that particular manner by which other can be clearly understand. Because ultimate you will not get down that type of proper adjustment. So this is very things. Generally we are using just do it. Just do it. But if I am an entrepreneur person, if I am a professor of that, I will just add on one question. Guess how? Why? So you have to should be a question mark in your mind. You should plan a realistic approach was there. Then in the starting of that business, you should be ready unexpected expenses. You should always ready for that. Unexpected. Even a lot of time you have to take care. Because like in some transitional, like we have just planned, I have to go from this place to that place and I am using 1 liter of petrol in this. What we have to do? I will accommodate accordingly. But by default, wherever you will go, you have to think the roads are very rough and the distance which you can travel in a liter of petrol, you can travel a half distance in that particular petrol. Then from where you will get down the half distance traveling petrol. So this is the unexpected expenses. You have to go there, you have to go down there. So again you have to add on the petrol there, then only you can be reached over there. So this in this industrial development concept is to be there, entrepreneurship development is to be there. You should always ready for some unexpected expenses in this product life cycle of a particular business. Then business startup delays. Business startup delays. Money is always declining. Generally, 2 रुपए की वैल्यू 1 रुपए की आज थी, वो शायद कल नहीं होगी, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे नहीं होगी. सो इफ यू हैव टू प्लान, आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस वन थिंग इज टू बी देयर कि अगर मूवीज जो है वो 3 साल में बनने में सोचती हैं तो शायद वो चल नहीं पाए. आज का कॉन्सेप्ट बदल जाता है. सेम थिंग, अगर इफ यू हैव टू प्लान इट टुडे, you have to implement it today, and business delay should not be take care of. But if this delay is to be done, then the issue with financial management can be come down, because financial is whatever cash flow and fund flow. A complete profitability things एक लेमैन के लिए क्या है? बिजनेस प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी जनरेशन. और एक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में ये है कि हमारे पास जो कुछ भी है वो एक प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंप्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए, मैनेज होना चाहिए, हमें किसी प्रकार का लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए और उससे हम कुछ अर्निंग कर रहे हैं. एक प्रॉपर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर का काम यही होता है, जिसको हम लोग जनरली कहते हैं. इफ सो डिलेस कैन बी कम डाउन. सो इन दिस यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दैट. सो सिक्योर व्हाटएवर द कांसेप्ट इज टू बी देयर. देन द नेक्स्ट वन, वी हैव टू, because all business, all things you cannot do by your own. So for this you need some good people is to be there. So affording quality staff, because this is the startup. You don't need a force of people. You need some quality people who can work with you in time forms to be there. So whatever the concept is to be there in this competitive job market, you have to take that type of people who can run with you, and you can afford them also, because maybe possible a simple person you can get down 1000 rupees, like 1 rupees. But here if you take up the affordability, you have to do quality people. Maybe possible you cannot get down 1 rupees, you can get down in 2 rupees, but this will pay you. So you should be ready, put them that type of person with you and ready to pay down the things. Otherwise you cannot. In some cases, talent may be viewed with the promises later on, and in the stock options, implied stock options, they will just destroy the companies to be there, because whatever your commitment, you means entrepreneur who hire them, you are not fulfill your commitment. So whatever the implies to be there, they just doing the time passes. So you should be affording quality staff in the starting phase of that. Then owner's living expenses. I already discussed this in owner's living expenses. You have been invested amount in the business invested. If you have invested 10,000 of rupees, it is for business. It is not your money. Business, but not your money. If that is not your money, why you are using this money for your living expenses? So financial stress takes place in every new entrepreneur or so problems, whatever the problems inward and outward, you should not touch this business amount is to be there. What? This is the business operating fund is to be there. You have to run your business, you have to develop all the things like project report in which you have to mention each and everything was there. In this, you have to look after. So, whenever your living expenses is not the responsibility of your startup business, you have to arrange from somewhere is to be there. But usually, 80%, 70 to 80% as per EDI report Ahmedabad, this thing will never happen. That's why a lot of small scale industries, village and cottage industries start up and close down. This is the main problem is to be there. They are using their bread from this amount, daily income, they are using that amount is to be there. So owners living expenses is the biggest problem is to be there regarding the financial management concept is to be there. So owners themselves is struggling in that, but they are using their own things to be there. So in this process, this thing will. Then we will get down certain amount from somewhere, certain amount from somewhere, like loaning, we can credit also. And we are starting our business like this. So over reliance on credit. आज तो हमें इतना पैसा मिल ही जाएगा, हमने अपना सामान काम शुरू कर दिया. Main thing is to be there. What the amount in your hand is your money. It's not वहां रखा है वो आपका पैसा नहीं है. One thing is to be very good. Second thing, if you are getting the loan or the credit to be there, then this amount is the return basis. If you are not getting that amount, you have no business, you will shut your business. Maybe possible later on you can get the solvency process can be carried out. So you should not be reliant on this. The concept is to be there. Otherwise, your business, your ideas, your situation will be totally fails. So over reliance on the credit is the major issue in this nowadays in a financial management concept is to be there. Then everyone is just like a follower. कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैं अमिताभ बच्चन को फॉलो करता हूँ, कुछ लोग कहते हैं नरेंद्र मोदी को फॉलो करता हूँ. समथिंग इज फाइन. फॉलो हम इसलिए कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि अपने पास कुछ है खाने के लिए, अपना काम करने के लिए कुछ है. But if I am a layman, I cannot do things. If I am starting own business to be there, I am investing the amount is to be there from hiring, कहीं से लिया पैसा कहीं से कुछ. But so we should have in this particular financial management, we should have ability to test ideas. Otherwise, in the financial term, you will be lost. Because uncertain cash flow can lead to significant financial management issues in small scale enterprises. When a company does not have a healthy cash flow, it may have to forgo new opportunities. So, current financial obligations can be met. This means that a business never realizes its full potential is because the owners can't take potential location in it. Live example, एकदम कभी भी मोटरसाइकिल या कार इसलिए बिकॉज स्मॉल स्केल नहीं थी, मोटरसाइकिल में एक कैपेसिटी लिखी होती है कि इसमें इतने लीटर पेट्रोल आ सकता है. आप किसी भी बुकलेट में लीजिए, बाय द वे उन्होंने लिखा है इसमें 10 लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल आएगा. आप जरा पेट्रोल पंप पे खाली टंकी लेके चले जाइए अपनी बाइक या स्कूटर जो भी है, जितना उसमें लिखा होगा, और भरवा के देखिए. आप देखेंगे कि इट विल बी नॉट 10 लीटर्स, इट विल बी कम डाउन अराउंड 11.5 और समथिंग. 1.5 से 2 लीटर तेल आपके पास ज्यादा आएगा उसके अंदर. क्यों? व्हाट इज द थिंग्स टू बी वेदर. और फिर आप उसके ऊपर कहते हैं कि पेट्रोल पंप वाले ने आपको मिसगाइड किया, मिसलीड किया. नो, द मेन थिंग इज टू बी देयर. There in every business to be there. There is a stability, suitability to be there, like that, consciously. So maybe possible in the market acceptance up to this level is only accepted. This not thing is accepted. Same thing is with diesel, petrol, whatever the tank is to be there. They will accept that only. Otherwise उसके ऊपर भरते तो maybe possible वो बाहर आ जाए, या किसी समय आपने बाइक या स्कूटर को झुकाया तो तेल बाहर आ जाएगा. That is a loss toward the side of your financial things is to be. Ultimate loss means loss. Better. आपने पैसे से कोई चीज खरीदी है, वो बाहर गिरा वो लॉस ही हुआ आपका. So in that terms, this thing is to be like that is to be. So this part is to be there. Then whatever the concept is to be there, whatever the values is to be there. So if you have to come down the general way is to be there, general process to be there. So there is certain, we have discussed certain issues. Then now we have just take the basics. What is the first? Because that is the outcome of that financial management misconcept. Now, in the issues, lack of cash flow. This is the very cash flow is the running fund is to be there. Managing cash flow is a very typical thing is to be there. For that, a lot of managers to be, a lot of person is to be there. Their managing structure is to be there. So whatever the concept, whatever the values, whatever the transition is there, because small business trends is losing our zero perspective. So this is the cordless in the this concept is to be there. If we are not consider proper way in the cash flow process, our business will not run. And if our business will not run, we cannot go for our mission is to be there. And if the mission is not accomplished, definitely we can do all the things. So main thing is to be there. So our cash flow should be in a proper way where we already planned earlier. We should go accordingly. We should not deviate the concept. होता नहीं है. मैंने आपसे बताया कि as per the EDI report, around 50-60% companies are not using this thing is to be there. That's why there's become a failure. Then going to shut down is to be there. But if you want rest, we have discussed about that 30-40% which already success in the market. They are using this concept. They are never deviated from their product report. Or if they are accepting the things, so we should not be things to be there. So we have to whatever the process to be there. So each and every that's it. Then the second one is to be there. Is sticking to we are just discussing the thing, to a budget. Budget is a systematic orders of the where you have to invest the amount, where you have to use the amount is to be there. So this is the basic challenge in the financial management. We should not go beyond the budget is to be there. Because ultimately there are certain expenses of yours, certain liabilities can be come down. If you have not run down the business to be there, you are ready to pay down the salaries. We already discussed for the talented people you hire. So from in your pocket you have to pay down the salaries to be there. So you should be very strict toward the side of the budget of your project is to be there. So sticking to a project is something. Then marketing. I will discuss this thing in a very detailed form is to be there. Here, because marketing is directly linked with the financial management concept is to be there. If the sale is not carried out, no amount will be come down, or less sale is to be carried out, then again the thing, product stability not be carried out, again the financial problem can be carried out is to be there. And if you have inflow and outflow, inward and outward logistics, if you have to do down, this thing can be stabilize the things. Here we have to look after the bullwhip. Bullwhip आपने देखा चाबुक. चाबुक को हम लोग कैसे करते हैं? ऐसे हल्के से. तो उसका जो वाइब्रेशन चलता है वो लास्ट मोमेंट तक जाता है, उसी वाइब्रेशन को उसी वे. सेम थिंग इफ वी हैव टू लुक आफ्टर दिस मार्केटिंग टिक मार्केटिंग. तो वॉट एवर द इफेक्ट शुड बी स्टार्ट विद द कस्टमर concept with the value of the feedback toward the side of the understanding. So this will be reflect if the understanding was not be clear, we cannot get into the business. Again, the financial crisis can be come down. So whatever the financial 15% of the business owner not using this type of concepts. That's why I already told you. So in this competitive environment, you have to look after every concept is to be there. Otherwise, you cannot be survive in this competitive environment. You have to look after the first man, money, machine, market, and the what place. You have to look after each and every product mix is to be you have to look after. Then lack of capital. Here I am using the two words. You should not know. Cash flow is a different thing. Capital is a different thing. Capital may be fixed or the working capital is to be there. So you have to look after initially कि मेरे पापा दे देंगे, मेरे भाई दे देंगे, मेरे को यहाँ से फंडिंग मिल जाएगी, ऐसा वैसा कुछ भी. So in this, if you have to start your business on super institution, you will get all the amount from this place. It's starting, let it start, rest we will see. No, you have the fund, you have the cash, you have the fund cash. each and everything should be in hand. So in the startup of that, no lack of the capital should be carried out. Otherwise, because you know cash is essential to keep your business afloat, but paying the bare minimum to cover basic component expenses get us so far as to be there. So in this you have to think of that, and then finally we can say down, beside this unforeseen expenses, we already discussed the concept. Unforeseen expenses, a lot of time this thing can be come down. Unforeseen expenses, whatever. Then you are ready to buy managing a new or a recurring expenses to be there. You should always be ready for that. Like if you must purchase any machine, in that you have not just done the wear and tear process can be carried out by them. Or by chance, when you are using this machine, something can be required in that, so you need the extra amount for that. So maybe possible in unforeseen, we already discussed, you should be ready something for this type of amount is to be there. Otherwise, you cannot be survive in this competitive environment is to be there. So unforeseen expenses you have to look after, because around 10 to 15%. Because in that time when you are on the introductory phase of a business, and this is the growth phase, this is the maturity. Introductory phase, you are already in the debt. Debt means you are already hiring the amount, is to be there. You have taken up the amount from somewhere is to be there. You have arranged the amount from somewhere is to be there, or this is your amount is to be there. So maybe possible you have some amount in which you cannot utilize. You cannot utilize for this unforeseen severe. So you should be always look after the concept in that way by which you can be managed to be there. So in today's compilation activities to be there, today's values is to be there, today's financial issues is to be there, we have to look after certain things which we have to lack. We should be ready for the proper cash flow, otherwise you will lose your business. Then you have to look after sticking on the particular budget, and budget is a complete encyclopedia we can say for the business. You should be restrict on that, otherwise you cannot survive in that. Then you should be a proper marketing, financial administration concept should be carried out by which you get to stabilize the market. And then you should always be a lack of capital, if any concept to be there. So capital should be managed, whether it's a fixed capital or the variable capital is to be there, you should be managed accordingly, and then should be ready for the unforeseen expenses to be there. So this is the overall issues of the financial management concept was there.